Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now you need to choose this icon with a photo and the camera at the bottom left corner. And just click on the photo that you wish to add. You can also select folders at the top. And then click on Images filter at the top. Now you can select one of your photos from here by holding the chosen one. Look for it in one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources, like downloads. Wherever you decided, after locating your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!